Hello and welcome to Choice News Africa. My name is Chris Pentavra. Today I've got one of the most active and outspoken youths in Bulawayo and collectively in Matabeleland, Ulwazi. He's been complaining about employment, loss of empowerment from the youths around this region. Let me not preempt what he's supposed to tell us. Ulwazi.
Yes, ngiyabonga umphathi omhle. Yes, ngingulwazi igama isponsor okhaya ngibuya kogodla omnyama. Udaba engingalo namhlanje engifisa ukuthi umphakathi wonke nje ube lwazi. Sorry ukukhuluma ngisebenzisa our local language because all the time I'm empowering ukuthi wonke umuntu lapha khona you have to understand indlela engiexpressa ngakhona locally lapha engikhona. Kule ndaba enje so koBulawayo we are always every time siyakhala sikhaliswa ngabafana abakhona esinawo ezigabeni abangasebenziyo abangatholi imisebenzi welcomes to indaba yama drugs bese sinokunye ade sicabangile ukuthi yikho ngabancedisa ukuthi bathole imisebenzi especially ku transport industry. I-transport industry yethu inezinto eziningi kakhulu ezisihlukumezayo thina. Okuwukuthi nawo khathesi kunje sinamateksi phandle athwala umphakathi. Amateksi angikhona mayepaka esiba khona kuyavela amaphoyisa babaxotshanise babagijimise. Ucile sokusenza ukuthi abantu abayibo esikhangelele ukuthi basebenze kuleyo industry begcine sibe ngasasebenzi ngendlela ekahle. Okuyukuthi ekuqaleni into ezama ukuthi bangikhulume le. Ekuqaleni abantu laba besebenzele egodini. But i-council now is failing ukuthi igodini liyana ilungisise ibe right. Ngakubeka ngithi i-council kumele government ngoba le into vula abakhangelele ukuthi sikhangelele kibo ukuthi le nto kube yibo abantu abayenzayo icace ivele kahle. They are failing ukuthi repay God. But now mabebuya kubafana laba amateksini bathi bona amateksi i-transport industry fanele ibuyele egodini yesebenzela phansi. Ngiyabuza mina igodini ayikabi right, ayikaphelele, ayikabi ngendlela abasitshela ngakho ukuthi izaba ngakhona. Now khathi abafana laba bafuna babuyele phakathi baye kwenzani imchova ikwani phakathi. So ngicela ukuthi izwi lele likhuluma namhlanje i-government i-council yakoBulawayo ayibelazi iqiniso kulokho engikukhulumayo. Besicela lilungisise igodi maqala before abafana laba babuyele bayiphakathi ngoba cause lokho la kucela ukuthi lizakwenza alisakwenzanga ngendlela. Manje nawo khathesi ngiyezwa amahemhle endlebeni zami umsindo omningi ovelayo abantu bentshela ezam the voice of the voiceless people eMatabeleland nakoBulawayo bathi bona bafuna ukuthi badilize irenkini ba renovate irenkini but igodini abakaqedi muzibani ozaba muhle ukuthi enye indlu ingakapheli ingakafakwa uphahla so kwakhiwa enye indlu futhi.
Maybe just to cut this short. Wena ufuna kwenze njani as far as the empowerment of ama-youth is concerned? What do you want exactly in short, maybe in a few seconds?
Mina for me engufuna for ama-youth ama-youth ngifuna ukuthi anikeze umsebenzi lo ozabayenza ukuthi babe nepeace njalo futhi la leyo umsebenzi abayisebenzayo abasebenza bekiyo especially udriving transporter abantu because yiko embona khona bebaningi khona. Kungaba nendlela yokuthi leyo transport industry ibe protected. Baphiwe indawo ecolekileyo right yokuthi bathwale le. As now as you see now igodini ayikabi right. Angeke ngikhume egodini. Ngoba igodini kanjani ayikabi right. Abanikezwe indawo ecolekileyo ukuthi basebenzele khona.
I will eat more, we'll talk more.
I think so. Ngiyabonga.